Hello everyone, finally it is the moment that we have all been waiting for, and the GTA 6 timeline is over here and it will be coming on November 19th of 2026. So this is the end of this year. If you scroll down on the official website, you won't be able to find much details about the time it will be releasing, but if you check out the PlayStation's official website, then you would be able to see the time over here, which is 10:30 GMT, and it will be on 19th of November as we saw earlier, and you can add it to your wish list if you want to. Also, there are some e-commerce websites that are providing this notify me option, so you can just simply check out the popular ones in your country and see if you are also getting this button or not. Also on X, there are some people or some rumors out there which are saying that pre-orders might start from May of 18th, and this was leaked in some email. And this is the kind of email these people are talking about. These emails were received by many people out there in order to start a campaign regarding the pre-orders from 18th to 21st of May, and it included the affiliate links. So the rumor around the pre-orders might be true, and let's see, just a couple of more days for us to wait and see whether these rumors are right or wrong. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.